Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about a scorching topic, which is machine learning. So stay with us till the end and vote this up if you like it and subscribe to our channel. Machine learning is the field of study that gives computers the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. It involves developing algorithms that can automatically learn patterns and relationships from data and use it to make predictions or decisions. To learn machine learning, one needs to have a strong foundation in mathematics, statistics, and programming. One can start with online courses, tutorials, and books, and then practice real-world problems through projects and competitions. Machine learning has become an essential tool in various fields, including finance, healthcare, marketing, and many more. It helps in making accurate predictions, identifying patterns, and discovering hidden insights from data, thereby improving decision-making and efficiency. Machine learning is rapidly evolving in today's world, thanks to the advancements in technology and the availability of large amounts of data. Deep learning, reinforcement learning, and transfer learning are some of the recent developments that have enabled machines to perform complex tasks with high accuracy. Recent developments in machine learning include the use of GANs, generative adversarial networks, for image and video synthesis, transformer models for natural language processing, and federated learning for privacy-preserving machine learning. Machine learning has created numerous career opportunities, including data scientists, machine learning engineers, research scientists, and AI architects. These professionals work in various industries and domains, including healthcare, finance, e-commerce, and more. Machine learning is a rapidly growing field that has the potential to transform various industries and domains. With the growing demand for skilled professionals and the advancements in technology, the future of machine learning looks promising. Those who wish to pursue a career in this field should focus on building a solid foundation in mathematics, statistics, and programming and continuously keep up with the latest developments. Thank you for staying with us till the end. I hope you get answers to a lot of questions in your head about machine learning. Keep growing and keep learning. Until then, bye. We'll meet you soon in the next video.